Hey everybody, welcome to shoveling.
And Crocs.
Oh yeah. Look out here guys, we got some snow. Go stand in there and show them how deep it is over here on the driveway. Look at that, look how deep that goes up.
Goes all the way to my hand right here.
Yeah. So today's episode is shoveling the driveway. Now there is a very specific technique we want to use on this, I assume, so we don't overextend ourselves. We also stay hydrated. We also make sure we stay warm. Some of us got our Crocs on, and we're gonna put those into four-wheel drive. Some of them have their mom's boots on because their feet grow so quick that we can't keep up with snow boots. Kid Crocs just gotta keep. He's gotta stop growing. It's amazing how quick those kids grow up. All right.
And do you want to show them the big
Yeah.
snow
Look,
pile?
look at the big snow pile. Go stand up there real quick. That is huge. Let's get shoveling. All right, everybody, to properly shovel in Crocs, you're gonna need a few things. One, you're gonna need a good snow shovel. We got several different shovels here. This one right here is an old-fashioned 1980s model. Basically, this shovels snow. This guy right here, this is what we call like a feed shovel around here. It's multi-purpose. This is probably more of a 2000s model. Works perfectly fine.
This is what we got at Menards.
Yep, your big box store.
Yep.
That's a what model? What year is that? A 2026?
Yep.
Look how nice and shiny that thing is yet. That one over there. What do you think that one's probably about a 2015 model?
Oh.
Maybe that's about a 2015 model. It's about the same as this one. Those are common snow shovels. And last but not least, the other thing that you're going to need
And some help.
is some help. So we got Kid Croc and we got Croc Boy over here, and we're definitely getting this done. You guys ready?
Yep.
Let's do this. Oh man. Look at that snow dog, guys. You got like a little Santa Claus action going on there, don't you? All right. A couple things you want to make sure of is one, take frequent breaks. You know, it's cold out there. You don't realize how hot you're getting.
Frostbites or anything.
You don't want to get frostbite. You want to make sure you stay hydrated. Make sure you're drinking lots of fluids while you're out there.
Yeah, if you ever if your pants get cold, I feel like you should at least put like whatever those things are called that you put over you to make sure your pants don't get wet. Because
Yeah, like snow, like snow pants.
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes a big difference too.
I got mine wet, and then my shovel accidentally hit me, and then my leg still hurts for it.
Your leg still hurts. Rule number 2. You're shaking the camera with your tail, dog. Rule number 2. Well, not really number 2, but another tidbit of advice. Get out there and shovel before somebody drives on that. When somebody drives on that, it compacts the snow. You can't simply just take your shovel and go across the ground first. Really easy. So we're planning on going to church today. We're going to take the truck. So we're trying to just get the spot where the truck can get out and get back in from church. So make sure you're getting out there. Make sure you're getting to the point where you got it cleared off enough that you can just easily take a shovel. You get those tire tracks in there. You're not going to be able to just glide the shovel across. Another tip is to get out there early and get out there often. I tell you what, the more often you do it, the easier it is. Yes, you're going to get your steps in, but you're not going to have to put up with shoveling big clumps of snow. Now, last night it snowed overnight pretty heavily, so we probably got how many inches do you think we got out there?
5. More than 5 probably.
More than 5? I bet we're over 6 plus. We'll have to go out there with a
Tape measure.
yeah, with the tape measure, and we'll measure here in a little bit.
And also, you're gonna want to have like a nice warm place to like take breaks at. Like in here, yesterday it was like 39.
Yeah, outside it's like 8.
Yeah.
So we're nice and cozy in here. As you can tell, I got my stocking hat off. I am sporting the old hockey hair up here. So looks good, doesn't it?
Uh-huh.
I am sweating, so I'm trying to let things dry out a little bit before I go back out. I think that's about it. We cover all the tips?
No, you forgot about.
Oh! Yeah, you gotta always watch out for them snowballs. I tell you what, those snowballs are flying everywhere. All right, you ready to go back out for a little bit, and then we'll get some hot cocoa or something hot to drink?
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Yeah, you think you're really cold, Ember.
Ah, she's got natural fur. Okay, guys, so we are about, what, 80% done with that driveway. Still got a little section to do, but we got enough so we can get out and go to church this morning, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. What do you guys think of that? Was it hard work?
Yeah.
What we got right now? What do we have in our cups?
Hot chocolate.
I got me some strawberry hibiscus tea. What do you got in yours?
Hot chocolate.
Looks like a little marshmallow on top of it, doesn't it? Are you tired? Did you overwork yourself?
I woke up at like 7.
You woke up at 7 on a Sunday. Oh my gosh. What'd you get up so early for? Because it's exciting and it's snowing outside? So it's nice to finally warm up. We'll be going back out there and doing the driveway several more times because we're supposed to get even more snow. But once you get the initial part of it done, it's a lot easier to do, isn't it? You just go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Right? All right. What do you guys want to tell them out there?
You should always watch out for snowballs.
Always watch out for snowballs. Stay safe, everybody. Cheers and God bless.